Hello everyone, this is Assadullah Shaikh. In this video, we are going to explore MS Word and application software of MS Office. If you don't know what MS Office is, you can find the link to my previous video about MS Office, its features and installation process along with the introduction about MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint in the description below. As explained earlier, MS Word is a word processing program. It is widely used to write documentary stuff such as CVs, cover letters, books, and much more. So let's explore MS Word. First of all, to open MS Word, you need to type WinWord or MS Word in the search or run bar. Alternatively, you can have the shortcut of MS Word at the desktop as told in previous video. Once MS Word is started, what you see is available templates of MS Word. These are pre-prepared templates by MS Office providers to help you out in cases when you need to type something similar to the templates, such as a CV, resume, cover letter, etc. You can choose the template that best suits you and it saves your time. We will simply begin with choosing the blank document. Now, here you have an overview of MS Word. In the top left section, it is Quick Access Bar, which allows you to perform the operations that you use repeatedly, such as save the doc or undo, redo the changes you just made. Further options may be added by choosing any from the drop-down list according to your convenience, such as to open a new document or etc. At the center is a title bar of MS Word. The title you save the doc with is visible at the center. We will surely have an example of this once we save the doc. Below the quick access bar, it is the file menu. It enables you to save your document, open a new one, print your document, or use some other available tools such as share and export your document. The area you are seeing here, the tabs, groups, tools are all present in the ribbon. The whole area is collectively called the ribbon, the area where the tabs, sections and tools are present. These are the different tabs of MS Word, i.e. Home, Insert, Design, Page Layout and etc. Each tab has different groups as you can see, the clipboard, font, paragraph, etc. Similarly, each group has its different features and tools or commands. The page where the cursor blinks or the area you write the stuff is called the editing area. This is called the ruler. It is used to adjust the document format quickly or the page margins. And in the bottom, the thing you are just seeing is called the status bar. It provides you with the status of documents, meaning it tells you the number of sections, pages, words and etc. At the bottom right, there is a shortcut to zoom in and out of the document. Near to that are the options to view the document in different layouts as in web or book layout. It is also a part of a status bar. You may add other options here as well, such as the line number. So, now let's explore the tabs, groups and commands available. Starting with the Home tab, it is the most used tab in all the application software. It contains the groups, clipboard, font, paragraph, styles and editing in MS Word. Beginning with the font group, it contains the commands to modify a font. The text you write, each letter is considered as a font. It is used to perform operations over the fonts, such as increase or decrease size of a font, change the color or highlight the text and etc. To apply these options, we need to have the text in the editing area. So I will just use a rand command that collects some random stuff from the pre-prepared templates of MS Office. It is useful for practicing. It is structured as =, RAND, bracket start, number of paragraphs you want, comma, the number of sentences you want in each paragraph, bracket over and just press enter. Here we go. Now we can apply the options over the text. You see, each tool present here represents what it does in the shape of a clipboard. Once you press your mouse arrow over the tool, it provides a complete description about the function and the shortcut key of the tool. It is so simple, right? Now, if you want to increase or decrease the size of text, you simply select the text and select the desired value of size from the font size in font group. You can also choose to increase or decrease the size by pressing the buttons near to the font size that are increase and decrease font size respectively. Alternatively, the shortcut key, as you can see in the description, may be used. To bold text, simply hover over or select the text and press the B, or the shortcut key present in the description may be used. It darkens the text. It is used when you want to put emphasis on some text or you want someone to highly focus on this area of text. Similarly, to change text in italic form, you select the text and click the I near bold button, or the shortcut present in the description may be used. It italicizes the text. It means it curves the text at some angle. It is also used in documents where you want to notify the reader that this line is a useful one. To underline text, simply select the text and press the underline key, or the shortcut key may be used. The drop-down menu of you provides you different lines to underline with. You must select any. Other tools include the strike through. It is used to cross something by drawing a line through it. Useful when checking some documents or exams of students to notify them it is not gonna be used here. Or where to remove your mistakes. Near to that are subscript and superscript. As the clip art shows, it types a very small text just above or below the line. These are used mostly when you are writing dates, chemical formulas, mathematical equations, etc. If you want to change the color of the font, you simply go to the font color and choose any color you want. It requires you to have the text selected. At the left of it is the text highlighter, same as a highlighter if you have used in real life. It highlights the text. Near to this is the important tool, the text effect. It is useful when you want to make the title or heading of the text look different at some place. It has some pre-prepared text styles. Alternatively, you may edit by choosing the below options. To apply, simply select the text and choose the style. And this is called the change case. As you can see, the drop-down list tells you which case you want the text in. Simply select the text and choose any option from here, such as uppercase, lowercase, sentence case, or toggle case. Toggle case makes the first letter of the word in small alphabet while keeping in all others in capital letters, used in some typography papers for fun mostly. The last option is the clear formatting tool. It is significantly used where you want to remove all the changes you have applied to a text, such as color, font, size, bold, italic, or any glow. It removes the whole style of text and keeps it simple as it was. It doesn't work as an eraser of text but the format. The clip art group, you must be familiar with cut, copy and paste options, right? Simply select the text and choose the tool you want to apply. To copy the text to another place, use copy. To move the text from one place to another, use cut. And the paste option enable you to paste what you have just copied or cut. Now, when you paste the text, you see some different options. The first option is the keep text only. It says choose me if you want to copy the text only. It means it will paste the text without copying the format or style of the text. Next option is the merge text formatting. It says choose me if you want to copy the formatting along with the text. It pastes complete text as it as you copied. The last option is keep source formatting. It says choose me if you just want to copy the formatting or style of text and not the text itself. The new tool is Format Painter. It is also very simple. The name specifies its meaning. It copies the format of the text, or I may say the style of text, the size, color or other changes you want to apply on some other text in the document. Simply select the text and press Format Painter. Next, select the text you want to apply the formatting at and you are done. The paragraph group. It contains the useful options such as bullets, text alignments, paragraph spacing and shading, borders, text sorting, etc. Bullets are used when you want to present something in points. These are mostly used when you specify the types, list or the meaning of something. It is also widely used in CV or cover letters, defining the qualities separately. To apply, simply select the text and choose the bullet you want to have. There are different bullets available. You may also define your own bullet or simply get some bullets online. The text alignments are used to align the text. The left align is the align form where the English language starts right. The right align could be used for other languages such as Urdu. The center align is used to center the text, mostly the headings and titles. The last one is justify. It justifies the text of the document so that it fits the margin automatically. As in newspaper, it is widely used. The paragraph spacing tool defines the space between the paragraph or the text line. How farther the next line should start, the distance between the two lines should be how much, like this. This is the intent. It moves the paragraph closer to or away from the margin of the page. Near to this is the sort option. It is not that much use. It enables you to sort the document by the text, titles, heading, etc. This tool is called the paragraph mark. It notifies us where the line or paragraph starts from and where it ends. It is usually invisible. It is used to check the paragraph writing in advanced documents. The shading tool enables you to shade a paragraph background with any color. The border tool enables you to put any paragraph or text in a border. Useful sometimes when making a table or columns, etc. The style group. It just contains the different standard styles of documents. You may choose any according to your requirement. The editing area. It has the options to find the text in the document by the word or sentence, replace some text by another, or select manually if your mouse is not working in some cases.